this episode of Nature's Ultimate Test, one man must push his body to the limit, and he must use courage, strength, and speed.
Yeah, my name's Christian. Basically, I'm a musician. I'm really good at everything I do. I play a bunch of instruments. I sing. I sing a lot, and my parents fucking hate me. They punch me a lot.
So why are you doing this?
I'm doing this to prove that I'm not a pussy and I got a big old ball sack.
So what is your weapon of choice?
My dick.
There's a lot of weeds back. There's a lot of weeds back here. A lot of them. Oh, it appears we got some old brick. I could kill a rabbit with this. Watch. So my next strategy. Holy fuck! This is a school bus. So my next strategy is to get up here, get a high vantage point, to look for prey that I can eat and predators like Joe Biden. So here I. Man, fuck this wood. So, in this field here, there's plenty of herbs, vitamins, protein, bugs, STDs. I read that in National Geographic one time. Gotta find one real quick. Oh shit, is that a vine? I fucking love Tarzan. Shit! First step in a survival situation. Shelter. Shelter comes right after cocaine. Cocaine after piss, shit, and cum. Oh! It's a mushroom.